There's no God, I heard him say, as he snuffed out his cigarette and stared at the TV set above the bar and watched the world fall apart before his eyes. But what he don't realize is we've all been given freedom to live our lives the way we please. Just because you've never seen it ain't no reason to believe that there's no God. 'Cause I know he watches from above, and he loves every one of us, and all he wants us to do is have a little faith and try to love each other too. And it breaks his heart when someone he created